this video, we will go over the recommended procedure for performing seawater analysis for trace elements in the cleanroom. We will go over recommended equipment, methods of preparing the sample, environment, and equipment to ensure that proper results such as low blank counts are achieved. Enter the changing area and put on the following items: a hairnet, safety glasses, non-shedding overalls, suitable footwear or foot cover. This protective gear protects you from the sample and from acids, but more importantly, it protects the sample from you. Step into the cleanroom through the sticky mat to remove any contaminating particles from your shoes. Once in the cleanroom, put on powder-free gloves. To prevent a sample from being contaminated, a marine trace element sample must never come into contact with an uncontrolled surface, liquid, or air during handling. For this reason, only clean surfaces, liquids, or air must be in the environment of the analysis. Before starting, prepare all relevant surfaces. They must be metal-free and acid-cleaned. This includes filters, bottles or tubes, pipette tips. We recommend using materials that can tolerate the harsh cleaning treatment, such as fluorinated compounds like Teflon or PFA, polyethylene, polypropylene. For filters, we recommend using polyether sulfone membranes. Clean these surfaces by soaking them in a series of baths with special detergents, dilute nitric and hydrochloric acids, and ultra-pure water. More details on the cleaning processes are specified in the Geotraces cookbook. Refer to this handbook for more recommended surface cleaning methods. Clean liquids can be obtained by using a water purification system, or using distilled or certified ultra-pure acids. Regarding clean air, the environment must be filtered with HEPA filters. The cleanroom must always maintain a positive pressure of filtered air, so no contaminated air can penetrate the room. In seawater, some elements are extremely abundant. For example, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which are contained in the amounts of grams per liter. In comparison, our trace elements can be extremely rare. Iron in seawater, for example, can be less than 5 nanograms per liter, 1/billionth of the abundant metals. To prepare a sample for ICP-MS analysis, we must first remove the major elements, also called matrix elements. Concentrate the volume so the metal is less diluted. This can be done using the CFAST system. It passes the sample automatically over a selective absorber. The major elements are rinsed out, and the trace metal is retained and then washed off in a smaller volume, which can then be analyzed by ICP-MS. Some elements or their chemical form can also be measured by other means, but what they all have in common is that they can only be processed in a controlled environment like this cleanroom. By following the procedures listed in this video, you will have a better chance of producing ideal samples for an accurate seawater trace element analysis.